In today's video, I'm going to teach you here's how to turn your Notion data into charts. 5 minutes. We're going to take a Notion database you already have and turn it into a clear visual chart so you can spot trends and make decisions faster. You don't need any add-ons, just your database with the properties you want to visualize. If your data is tidy and your number and date fields are set to the correct types, this will go smoothly. Start by opening Notion and navigating to the page that contains your database. This can be a full page database or a linked view inside another page. The process is the same. Make sure you can see the database header where the current view name appears, like table, board, or timeline. Next, look for the small plus icon right next to the current view name. Click that plus to add a new view. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Chart. This creates a brand new view dedicated to visualizing your data. Notion will open a configuration panel to help you define how the chart should work. Now pick the chart type that fits your data best. Use a bar chart to compare categories like status or owner. Choose a line chart to show change over time with a date field. Select a pie chart for parts of a whole when you want to see proportions. A scatter chart is great for exploring relationships between two numeric properties. If you're unsure, start with a bar chart. You can switch types at any time. In the configuration window, set your x-axis and y-axis using properties from your database. The x-axis is typically a category or a date. The y-axis should be numeric or something Notion can count or summarize. If you want totals, pick a number property and choose an aggregation like sum or average. If you just want how many items are in each category, choose count. If a property doesn't appear, double check that it's the right data type in your database. With the chart showing, customize it so it answers your specific question. Add filters to focus on a time frame, a status, or a team. Sort the data to highlight top performers or recent items. Adjust the appearance, labels, legends, or colors so it's easy to read at a glance. Consider renaming the view to something descriptive, like sales by month or tasks by status, so you can switch back to it later with confidence. That's it. You've turned your Notion data into a chart you can refresh, tweak, and share as your database evolves. Save the view, explore different chart types, and refine filters until the story in your data is unmistakably clear.